Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add a device to Amazon account. Adding a device to your Amazon account can vary slightly depending on the type of device you're adding. However, the general principle involves linking the device to your Amazon credentials. So here's a breakdown of the common procedure. Number 1. Amazon account is required. You must have an active Amazon account. Now, the device-specific procedure may differ because the exact steps between devices like Kindle e-readers, Fire TV devices, smart TVs, and devices using the Alexa apps may differ. So typically, you either sign in directly with your Amazon account credentials on the device or register the device via code. Now, for Amazon Fire devices like Kindle and Fire TV, how do you do this? Number 1. These devices usually prompt you to sign in with your Amazon account during the initial setup. So simply enter your Amazon email and password. This device will then register to your account. For smart TVs and streaming devices or Prime Video app, what you do is that you install the Prime Video app on your device. Open the app and select register on the Amazon website. You receive a registration code. On a separate device, computer or smartphone, go to the amazon.com/mytv or primevideo.com/ontv/devices and sign in to your Amazon account. Next, the device will be linked to your Amazon account after you've entered your registration code. If you're using Alexa-enabled devices, how do you do it? Use the Alexa app on your smartphone. Open the Alexa app and tap Devices. Then tap Plus Device or the plus icon and select Add Devices. Follow the on-screen instruction to select the device type and complete the setup. This process links the device to your Amazon account through the Alexa app. Now let's look at some key considerations. Ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Always use the Amazon or Alexa app on your smartphone to simplify the process. You can also manage your registered devices in your Amazon account settings using or under Manage Your Content and Devices. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.